Alright, so I picked this up off Amazon, and it's actually something you can use on an iPad, a Galaxy Z Fold 4, a Surface Duo 1 or 2, and it actually is a cup holder mount for an iPad. Now, what I had read reviews of is that it shakes profusely, and it really seems like it does. Like, I'm going to try to tighten this up as hard as I can, but it looks like no matter what, it's going to shake in some capacity. So, kind of, I guess if you want to technically, like, put your hand here as you're driving, though, it's probably going to be a little bit of a problem. This was, I believe, only $19 off Amazon. So, it wasn't too crazy price tag-wise. But again, if you are trying to get this in the context of using this for, like, a long-term, road trip or whatever, you're probably going to have some problems with the shake. And I gotta say, that's really going to be the biggest issue, because this feels sturdy. This feels good. It feels sturdy, even though it does shake. It feels sturdy and feels good, but that shake is definitely a problem. And I don't think there's really any way you can stop this. And this is an 11-inch iPad. I can't imagine on a 12.9-inch iPad. Now, if you have a Z Fold 4 or a Surface Duo 1 or 2, you'll probably have a little bit better of a time. But for an iPad, yeah, you're probably going to want to just go ahead and get one of those mounts that mounts to the windshield, because if not, you're going to have a little bit of a problem. But overall, I got to say, not too bad. We go ahead and back up here. You guys can see it does shake a tad bit. And obviously, if you in any way touch it, it's going to shake like crazy. So, kind of interesting. I'm going to go ahead and show this off real fast, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Would you pick this up? And if you do have a mount, which I showed you guys before, this is still, in my opinion, the best mount for an iPad mini, a Surface Duo 1 or 2, or a Z Fold 3 or 4. Perfect mount for those devices. This, interesting, but still, it's whatever. If I do turn it around, I don't want to turn it around right now because I have it set up for my passenger. But if you do turn it around, you do have full control of your display. I just personally, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. If it didn't wobble so much, probably would be a higher grade. But for the purpose of using it as a GPS, it's actually not really the worst thing in the world. It's pretty serviceable as a usable GPS device, like holder. But if I'm really going to go for one, I'd probably either go for this one. If you need an 11-inch one, or you need like a 12.9 inch, I would probably go with one that actually clips into both of these right here, and it has it like right here. That's probably would be my recommendation, because while this is cool, probably not that practical unless you're okay with dealing with the shakiness of it every single 10 seconds. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.